Chicago. The one that has no name on it. They said the name is erased off. That must be Chicago. It has no name on it. Milwaukee Road. 1:15 is when we're supposed to be able to get on, and we leave at 2.